The sentence is the penalty the judge imposes if you have been found guilty. This is the punishment phase of a criminal proceeding. It requires serious attention to get the lowest possible sentence. In most cases, there is a range of consequences. Much of what a judge decides will be based on the representations made by the prosecutor and those made on your behalf. In general, the judge will consider three things: the facts of the case, any sentencing guidelines, and your individual circumstances. If you've had a trial, the judge will have heard the evidence and will know all the facts. If you've entered a guilty plea, the prosecutor will present the facts to support the guilty plea and ask you to agree with them. This is the first place people can get set back in a sentencing proceeding. The prosecutor will likely allege everything in the police report, which may contain aggravating information that is not necessary to support a finding of guilt. If you have a lawyer, they will speak to the prosecutor and come to an agreed statement of facts, resulting in enough facts presented into court to support the guilty plea without all of the aggravating factors. The judge will look at the statute and any sentencing guidelines that are available, giving the judge a sentencing range to consider. The prosecutor will tell the judge what sentence the state is asking for, given the facts and any prior record that you may have. Often, this request is on the high end of the range. Once the prosecutor is finished, the defense is given the opportunity to make sentencing submissions. This is critical. You need to get a lawyer involved. A criminal lawyer will present you to the judge in the best possible light. Do you live in the community? Do you have a job? Do you have a family? Maybe you are the sole income earner. Is this your first offense? Is this out of character for you? Do you take responsibility for your actions? Is it likely that this will never happen again? Your lawyer will make the case why the judge should be lenient with you. Now, the judge will also consider, is this sentence likely to deter you from committing another crime? Does it send the right message to the rest of the community? Does it have a rehabilitative factor? Sentencing is a complicated matter and shouldn't be left to chance. Don't try to handle it yourself. Talk to a criminal lawyer who understands all of the sentencing options. Get the information and the help you need from one of the lawyers you will find right here. Contact us now.